In this video, we will learn how to add physics in COMSOL Multiphysics. Open COMSOL. Press Ctrl O to open the file. Double-click on the bouncing ball file from the last video. You can also download the file from link number 1 in the description section below the video. On the very top, click on Physics. On the top left, choose to add physics. On the right side, you can see a window pop up. At the near end of the list, you can see Structural Mechanics. Click on the small triangle on the left. Choose the 7th option, Multibody Dynamics. On top of that window, click on Add to Component. Click on X icon top right to close the Physics tab. On the top bar, click on Domain. In Volume Forces, choose the middle one, Gravity. The selection is active. Click on the ball to apply gravity into the ball. On the top bar, click on Boundaries. Top right, choose Fixed Constraint. We need this constraint to make the ground fixed. We don't want the ball to hit the ground and make the ground move down. Click on the Select box. You can see there are two options. One is Select things that intersect with the area, Entity intersects. The other one is Select things inside the area, Entity inside. I will use the Entity inside in this case. Make an area that includes the ground. You have fixed the ground. Now, the last one is kinda tricky. We need to make sure the ball and the ground will be in contact. We don't want the ball to go through the ground. First, on the very top, go to Definition. On the top bar, click on Pairs. Choose the first option, Contact Pair. The source selection is active. Choose the ground as the source. Click on Destination Selection to activate it. Click on Select box. Make an area that includes the ball. On the very top, go to Physics. On the top bar, click on Pairs. Top left, choose Contact. In the Settings window, you can see the pair selection. There is a plus icon, click on it. Choose the contact pair 1. Click on OK. You are done for now. You may not see how the physics works yet because it will show in result after you compute all the physics through study function. Ctrl S to save the file. See you in the next tutorial on how to use study and see your results through animation.